All right, let's talk about something super cool you can do with your phone. You know that whole tap to pay thing for your coffee, or like instantly connecting new headphones just by touching them to your phone? Yeah, that's all thanks to this little thing called NFC. I mean, you can tap your phone to pay for your groceries, you can connect to new wireless earbuds in a split second, or even just bump phones with a friend to share your contact info. It's all about making life faster and way, way more convenient. Okay, so you're probably thinking, this sounds awesome, I want to do this. You grab your phone, you're all ready to tap and pay, you swipe down to your quick settings panel, and where is it? Where's the NFC button? You swipe around, you look everywhere, and nothing. It's a super common and honestly a really frustrating moment for so many Samsung users. But hey, don't worry. Because here's the good news. The button isn't actually missing. It's there. Your phone totally has it. It's just kind of hiding backstage, waiting for you to call it out. The fix is so simple, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step right now. All right, here's the solution. We're going to customize your quick panel. This is our step-by-step guide to finding and finally adding that NFC button. Okay, you ready? Grab your phone. Let's do this together. So first step, swipe down from the very top of your screen. You'll see your notifications and a few buttons. Now, do it again. Swipe down a second time. That's going to open up the full grid with all your quick panel buttons. All right, somewhere on that screen, you should see a little plus icon. That's what we're looking for. That little plus sign is your magic key to customizing everything. Go ahead and tap it. This is the spot where you can add, remove, and move all your little shortcuts around. And here we go. This is the main event. Look at the top section of your screen. You'll see a bunch of available buttons that aren't in your main panel yet. See the NFC icon? There it is. Now just press your finger on it and hold, and then drag it down into the main grid below. You can drop it wherever you want. Once you've got it in the perfect spot, just tap done to save your new layout. And boom! Just like that. Look at the difference. Before, the NFC button was nowhere to be found. And now, it's right there in your panel, ready to go whenever you need it. I mean, how easy was that? It's such a small change, but it makes a world of difference. Okay, so the button is in place. The hard part's over. Now let's talk about how to actually use this new power of yours, toggling NFC on and off. Honestly, this is the easiest part of all. Whenever you want to make a payment or connect to something, just swipe down and tap that new NFC icon we just added. You'll see it light up, it'll probably turn blue, and that means it's on and ready to go. And when you're finished, just tap it again to turn it off. Simple as that. And there you have it. You did it. You are now officially ready to rock. You can make mobile payments, you can read those cool NFC tags you see out and about, and you can connect to your accessories without any of that annoying pairing hassle. All that power is literally just a swipe and a tap away now.